could use a hand. Thanks, thank you. Horse bucked me and took off. No idea what got into it. Think you could give me a ride to town? I know it's a lot to ask. Well, can you do me the favor? Come on now, please. I wouldn't normally ask a stranger like this. Oh, you will? Finally, some kindness. Thank you. Didn't expect no help, tell the truth. Reckon you can get me to Valentine? I'm assuming you know the place. Suppose I should be sore with a lady for bucking me and all. Truth to tell, it's not much becoming of me as a rider. But, well, I guess a horse got freedoms much as the rest of us, right? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I know it. But they're smart animals, real smart. They know what you tell them. They know what they like, what they don't. Lady was well behaved, took to her saddle, liked me good. Until today. Off she went, and you know what? Good on her. A lesson to us all. Oh, my back sure is sore, though. I can already smell that sheep dung.
Howdy do.
Morning. Really appreciate you doing this. Good luck to you.
Morning, madam.
Here, one kindness deserves another.
Nice day, ain't it? Yeah! Have a lovely morning, miss. Morning to you.
How you do?
Well, that's fine.
Move already.
All right, stranger.
Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Them boys was down at the saloon fighting and breaking windows again.
Well, I
Morning,
ain't
ma'am.
really surprised.
You ain't exactly the man to marry yourself. Get out before I call someone who'll be a lot like